Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chechi. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, I'm glad that you're still sticking around. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. In today's video, it's all about face masks, and I'm making the banana and egg face masks. So, you know that banana contains lots of antioxidants and it's good for the skin. It delays aging, it reduces wrinkles, lots of benefits. And I'm going to show you how I made it. Now, you're going to need banana, egg, and a little bit of water. I added a bit of AVC, diluted AVC water. Let's get right into the video. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my banana into the blender and cut it into tiny pieces. Banana has been placed into the blender. So now I'm going to blend. To make it very easy to blend, I'm going to add the AVC diluted water and I'm going to place it, pump it in, and then I cover the blender and then I blend. I've poured it into a bowl, as you can see. So this is our blended banana and our AVC. So now it's time for me to add the egg. I'm going to use just the egg white. So watch as I do this. Then I'm going to drop it into the bowl. That is enough. I'll mix it with a spoon. Now it's well mixed, as you can see. Then it's time to apply on our face. So guys, this can be used as a night routine or a day routine, whichever way you want to do it. So this is the blended banana peel. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on my face. Make sure that your face is clean already. So you can do this before you go to bed, or you can do it just during the day when you're less busy and you want a glowing skin. So yeah, I have been through a lot of roller coasters in skincare and getting my skin to a very comfortable position. So I've learned a lot of things, and this is one of them, and I can assure you that it is great and amazing for your skin. So let's get right into applying it. You know that eggs, there's a substitute for this actually, and that contains like yogurt and milk, and my skin doesn't really do well with that. That's why I chose this egg. The egg version is okay for your skin. So yeah, I prefer it, and it's very nice. It's a bit translucent, you can't really see much, yeah, but this is great for your skin, and I assure you it is great. And safe anyways. I'm so keen like on skincare products, especially natural ones, because I know, oh, this thing is like something that is natural, is going to contain amazing benefits, not just a bunch of chemicals. So yeah, you can apply yours with a brush, but I don't really have a brush right now, so this is what I'm using. Yeah, and that's it. I hope you try it out. Let me see how yours goes. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.